Alright guys, first game on. Do you think we're going to win this game or nah? Personally, I don't know, bro, but...
Never going to happen.
Wow. Okay, fuck you, Matthew. Oh, so someone's going... Yep, seen him. Come on. He's going to try and jump run. On house. Oh, another guy here. And I'm going to die right now. Yep. Fucking called it, bro.
I love you. Remember me.
Oh my god, Matthew. In all seriousness, though, if you do truly want to be a mod, the best way of being mod is simply just be here, help out, be on the Discord, and all that good stuff, you know? Start a prediction? Wait. Why? What did you even do? Will we get top 20? Oh, shit. Okay, Fuck, I wasn't expecting you to do that, Dark Knight, but... Alright, bro. Maybe we will, bro. Hey, I'm here. I help out. I'm in Discord. Wait, what? Pizza as a mod? And...
Never going to happen.
Oh my god. The timing on that was... look, I'm Echo. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, where are you? Bro...
And now I am going to fuck you.
Call me Dickmaster.
You want me to call you Dickmaster? No. Matthew, why did you add all these sound alerts, man? I knew man was busy over the weekend, but... Funny enough, oh. Bro. Bro, really? Really? Fuck off, Matthew. Fuck off, Matthew. And we win. And we win! Woman. Oh my god.